Hey everybody, it's John from Accent Signs and Graphics, and today we're going to learn how to install vinyl graphics onto your vehicle. Before we get started, we're going to need a few installation tools. Make sure to have these ready before you begin your installation. The contents of your package should contain your vinyl graphics kit and a supplied squeegee. While the entire installation can be completed with these two items, we do recommend these optional items to help ensure a smooth installation. A razor blade knife to accurately cut the backing material. Glass cleaner and towels are used to prep the vehicle surface. Low-tack tape can help you position the vinyl graphics, and a standard tape measure will ensure proper placement of the vinyl graphic on your vehicle. Alright, now that all that business is taken care of, let's install some vinyl graphics. To prepare the surface for installation, lightly spray it with glass cleaner and wipe it with a towel until it's dry. Next, roughly position the vinyl graphic on the vehicle where you would like to adhere it. Then we're going to want to peel the lettering away from the backing sheet, but oops, we can't do that yet. Don't forget the most important step in this process. The vinyl graphic must be burnished in order to allow the lettering to be released from the backing sheet. Burnish the entire graphic by applying smooth, even pressure across the lettering. To install the vinyl graphic, peel the lettering in the masking sheet about 1 inch away from the backing sheet, and take your razor blade knife and cut 1 inch of the backing sheet off of the vinyl graphic. Once you're ready to install the vinyl graphic, reposition the vinyl graphic on the vehicle. Then take your measuring tape and make sure that the lettering is level to the ground. Your optional low-tack tape can also help you position the vinyl graphic into place after you have measured. Once your vinyl graphic is in the proper position, now we will install the lettering. Adhere the 1 inch exposed lettering with the masking tape down onto the vehicle. Remove the low-tack tape. Peel the backing back away from the pre-masked lettering to expose the lettering. Peel the lettering back over on itself while keeping the 3 inch gap between your hand and the vehicle surface. You will then move from the center to the top and then the center to the bottom and repeat that step until the vinyl graphic is completely adhered to the vehicle without any bubbles in between the mask layer and the surface of the vehicle. Finish off the installation by going over the surface a few times with the squeegee to ensure a nice, proper installation. Finally, peel the masking sheet away from the lettering to reveal the lettering installed on the vehicle. Thank you for watching our installation video, and if you have any questions about your installation, please feel free to reach out to us using one of the contact links listed below. Thanks again. Have a great day from the DOTNumberstore.com.